Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Miss Stitch channel. Today we're going to be making fabric bookmarks. These are the things I'll be using. The first things I'll be showing you are fabrics of my choice. Flowery and plain. And another flowery and plain. Then I've got my pair of scissors, my pincushion, my measuring tape, and my sewing machine. Let's get started. From both of the plain fabrics, I iron an interfacing on the wrong side on one of them, and on the flowery fabrics, I also ironed an interfacing on both of them. Now I'm going to fold my flowery fabric into a triangle shape and then sew across the diagonal line. Now I'm going to do the same for the second one. The next thing I'm going to do is to place the triangular shape in the corner of one of the plain fabrics and then place this one on top of them like so. And then use the pin to hold them in place. And I'll repeat the same process for the second one. Now I'm going to go on the sewing machine to sew all around the shape, leaving a 2 inches space. Let's get started. Now I'm going to trim off the excess on the sides to reduce the bulkiness when I turn it inside out. I'm going to go on the ironing table to iron my fabric bookmark. After ironing, I went ahead to sew all around the edges, thereby closing the 2 inches space that was left earlier to turn it inside out. Now my fabric bookmark is ready. Now I'm going to do the same for the other one. Now I'm going on the machine to sew on top of all the edges while I close the 2 inches space that I used to turn it inside out.